I just dropped all this powder on me. Here, and then I'm going to the computer lab with my food. You're not supposed to have food in there, but I got them all to the desk, okay? What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're just going to go ahead and get started with some concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and outline my already drawn on eyebrows. After I do that, I'm just going to take a brush and blend out that concealer so that it won't be so harsh, and start pulling it down towards my eyelid. I'm going to take some more concealer and add it to my eyelid so I can start to prime my eyes for my eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to go over my brow with the concealer that blends in a little bit better with my skin tone. So, y'all, this eyebrow always comes out looking better than this eyebrow. So I'm about to do some surgery on this eyebrow because it's not giving this. It's giving a mess. So, bear with me. I just dropped all this powder on me. So I'm going to take that e.l.f. setting powder and go ahead and prime my eyelids and get ready for my eyeshadows just so it can be more pigmented. I then took the Warrior 3 by Juvia's Place in the color Jarawa, and I used it as my base. I did not show you guys the first eye, and you'll find out in a couple of minutes. After I blend out that first color, I go ahead and take Nzinga, which is the yellow shade, and I put it over, like right under my brow. But you have to make sure that you're blending your eyeshadow. Blending is key, just so that it won't look so harsh as you're transitioning into different colors. Now I'm adding my liquid concealer to my eyelid where my pigment is going to go, just so that my pigment can stick to that liquid concealer. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my eyeshadow pigment in the color Khaki from my line Vanity by Venus. I'll put all that in the description box, and applying it to wherever I put that wet concealer. As you can see, it's very pigmented and I didn't have to put too much. Now you notice I went back to my other eye. That's exactly why I didn't show you guys me doing it in the first place, because once I found a good technique for one eye, I went ahead and redid my other eye. So as you can see, I'm just making sure my eyeshadow is blended and not looking so harsh. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my Black Radiance foundation. This was my first time using the foundation, so I was a little nervous about how it was going to look. But it turned out okay. After that, I'm going to take my Black Radiance concealer. And everywhere that I put that concealer, immediately after I blended it out, I went ahead and set my face with some setting powder. Then I'm going to take my True Complexion contour palette and I'm going to contour off camera. And I'm going to add some blush. The reason why I kind of sped this up a little bit is because I just wanted to focus on the eyes, honestly. My blush is from e.l.f. Then I'm going to take some Glow. This is my favorite part of the whole makeup look. Add in that highlight. After that, I'm going to squeeze the last little bit of lip gloss that I have and apply it to my lips. I already had lined my lips, and this was the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and shop with me for your eyeshadow pigments. See you in my next video.